This is Ask the Expert. I'm John Burgess, and our expert today is Ed Dechant, the Santa Rosa bankruptcy attorney. And Ed, can you pay off some of your debt after bankruptcy?
Certainly. A lot of people say to me, I don't want to file bankruptcy because these are debts I incurred and I feel an obligation to pay them off. My feeling is the only way you will be able to pay them off is to file bankruptcy first. Then you can pay them off on your terms. You don't have the predatory lending rates. You can choose who you want to pay off. You can pay off as much as you want or as little as you want every month.
As your economic situation improves under bankruptcy, what role do creditors play at that point as far as, I guess, coming after you?
Well, a lot of creditors don't respect the injunction that is automatic in a bankruptcy, and they try and collect the debt anyway. I know with my clients, I encourage them to let me know who's doing that, because I then turn around in the bankruptcy court and file a lawsuit against them, and we do collect money, and sometimes the money that comes back to the debtor or the person who's filed bankruptcy is more than the cost of filing the bankruptcy initially.
So I understand this. When you file bankruptcy, there's protection from creditors.
Yes.
And oftentimes you find that they violate, from a creditor standpoint, the law.
Almost every time.
Is that right?
Yes.
It's an interesting story. What about student loans? Are they wiped out due to a bankruptcy?
No, they are not. And unfortunately, under the new bankruptcy law, we have a situation where a student loan never passes a statute of limitations. So you're going to be stuck with those student loans for an awfully long time to come. There are some exceptions. There's some ways to get out of student loans in bankruptcy in hardship situations, especially if you have the loan was money given to a trade school that went out of business before you could complete the class. But normally speaking, student loans are not dischargeable.
Are there any exemptions to the student loan area, Ed?
Well, certainly I think that someone who has student loan problems should go to the federal government website, the Department of Education, and look there. There's some programs that they provide that will help you with your student loan problem.
Fantastic. Great advice. And, of course, to find out more, you can go to eddechant.com.